Alright, so Costa, you may not be able to hear me very well, so if you can't, just follow along what I'm doing here. So you're going to the top, you're going to type in portal.office.com. Alright, it's going to take you to the spot. Once you go there, and you can do this on your Mac, so do this on your Mac. You're going to go to OneDrive. Give me one sec. So you're going to go to OneDrive. Once you go in here, on your Mac, you're going to select Upload. Alright, you're going to select Folder. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. You're going to go to Upload, you're going to go to, Upload File. It's going to open up your thing. You're going to go find wherever your Word file is. You'll drop it in here. Cool? Once you do that, so I'm just going to fake drop in fireworks stuff into my OneNote. You wait for a second. It's going to spin around. Once it's done, go down here. There it is right there. Now, what I like about this is that this will allow you then to grab that copy of that version and work on it, both at home and here. So here's the last step that you're going to do. So once you get here, you're going to open the document up. All right. Now, it may say accessibility mode, so you'll want to click on Edit Document, and then you'll select Edit in Word. What that's going to do is going to create a version of this that once you hit Save, it's going to save it to the cloud. So no matter if you work on this at home or on your home computer or on this computer, everything that you do is going to be working on that same document.
Oh, cool.
Cool? So I'm going to